I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. You know, it's funny. I've been kind of feeling kind of off. I mean, I definitely believe it's probably pool. I saw a TikTok, and I don't know. Maybe I'm a little bit of a conspiracy theorist, and I don't know it. Anyway, I saw a couple TikToks, and they were saying, has anybody else had a sore throat and something in there that's not... Anybody else had a sore throat lately, and like some congestion in their chest, and I was like, yeah. So I paused and listened, and they were talking about, what is this weird bug that's going around right now? And it's not sinuses or allergies, but there's something, and it's not the vid, and it's not the hanta, but what is it? And I'm like, I'm the same. Because yesterday I was noticing that I do have some drainage. I've been using that nasal spray, and I do have some drainage, but it's real thin. And I think that's why I was sick last week. There is a type, my coworkers think I am out of my mind, but there is a type of nausea I get when it's from so much sinus drainage. It's almost like there's butterflies in my stomach, and nausea all at the same time. Well, I tried telling them that last week, and they're like, that is so weird. There's only one kind of nausea, and that's nausea. I'm like, no, I'm telling you. So anyway, yesterday, I was really paying attention, and I am swallowing a lot, but it's just not my usual really thick sinus drainage. It's really, really thin. So I'm thinking that's it. So probably because, well, I don't know about thin people, but it just got me thinking that, the stuff's out and the things are going and the flowers are all pretty and the mowing. And even though I was allergy tested and I do not have allergies, but maybe I do have a little something, maybe there's a little sign of something going on. So anyway, yeah, that just makes me happy that I recognize now. Oh, there's some pretty cardinals flying. I recognized yesterday there was some excess drainage, so that solves in my mind. If thing ain't right, I want to know why it ain't right. So that solves why I wasn't feeling too swoof last week with my stomach and stuff. But anyway, look, I got on Amazon. Ain't this a pretty full necklace? It's a cross. It's a layered set. I thought it was pretty full. Anyway, so all right, love y'all. I'm just jibber jabbering. Bye. Hello. Today's an interesting day. I'll give you the rundown. We have to eat in here because it's like wet out there. And so I swear I heard it sprinkle earlier. But anyway, it's one of those days where I don't want to sit on the ground because it's just damp in the air. I don't like that word. I mean, I don't dislike it, but I always want to stress the P in damp because I don't want to think somebody think I'm cussing. I know. Yep. It's sprinkling. If it starts pouring, I'm going to be mad. But it is what it is. Okay. We have fruit punch Zevia today. I still want to leave it cracked. Fruit punch Zevia. I have to take the work car to get an oil change later. So that's here in a little bit. In about 40 minutes, I'll have to leave here. This is my hot mess. See this? That's what I did this weekend, and I'll eat it later, but I want to show y'all. It's more like applesauce. See, it's a lot more like applesauce. I won't do it again. I mean, I'll still eat it because I am me, but I wanted to show you the texture. So don't use glucomannan and xanthan gum. In here, I have 1 slice of my fat-free cheese. Don't judge me. 2 slices of the Black Label bacon that's like pre-cooked. And then 8 ounces of ground beef. I don't remember if I seasoned this or not, but I think I did not. But let me just see. I did. So that's how it looks. So that's what I'm having for my brunch. I already had my coffee this morning. I'm feeling good today. I feel good, good, good. I feel so good. I feel good, good, good. Oh, I feel so good. Listen, I love you people, but I don't want it to stop pouring. Country music star to appear at the DuQuoin State Fair. I want it to start pouring and be stuck in the rain, so I'll see you people next thing. But yeah, so I'm taking my car, the work car, to go get an oil change here in a few minutes. And I'm taking it to get a car wash too. Woo, doggy, we had that rain earlier. It's muggy outside. So how are you doing? How was your day? Today's my Monday. I'm doing very good. I'm feeling good. I'm like, I don't know, feeling satisfied, mentally in a good spot. Nothing going on negatively. I feel like I'm sticking to what I'm eating, sticking to what I bring to work. I know I didn't log my food today, but that's the benefit of eating the same foods over and over and over and over. I really don't need to track because I'm literally eating the same thing every day. So, but you got to do what works for you. Not everybody wants to eat the same thing every day, but I will honestly say I get to where I crave it. I'm like, oh yeah, I want a burger. I want some beef. And so I start craving it. So it just kind of works for me. What I've been doing is I take that 1 pound patty and I lay it on a paper plate, and I put on a glove and I mush it out really flat and big, and so it makes it flatter. Kind of like I told y'all, I really enjoyed that Wendy's thing. Well, this isn't quite that flat. But I'm able to get it crispier, a little more seared on the outer edges without it being burned inside. So I'm really enjoying that. So I got half of my burger here. And the other half for tomorrow. Chocolate and caramel. That's a good mix. I have Bible study tonight. So I didn't go last week. I'm excited to go tonight, see my girls. That's all I got for y'all today, man. I took the work car to get the oil change. It was raining so hard I didn't even go take it to get a shower or to get a car wash. But that's all right. So, all right. I love y'all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Not a lot today. Bye.